Guys, so today a new vlog. Nothing fancy, but I'm gonna go for some motor tuning on the LMX 56 and give you some general updates about the production and the status of the project. So let's get into it. The bike is now riding with the belt and the correct gears. So it's much more silent than before, but there is still some work to be done on the pedal assist sensor tuning. And go for some downhill here. So yeah, as I was saying, today I'm doing some motor tuning just at a local park, nothing fancy, but some repeatable climbs where I can test different settings. Basically the goal here is to find the correct balance between the torque and the power reading from the sensor, and also how quick does it react. So a lot of climbing today. Okay, so that's quite steep. I'm riding 1500 watts. The grip on the bike is quite good, basically, with the 2 points. Yeah, so basically with the 2.8 in the back we have a lot of grip in the climbs, and actually a lot more grip than on the 64. So that's quite a good thing. And at the moment the bike is riding with the belt. The only difference between this bike and the serial bike is that we are not yet on the oil bath on the gear reduction. So there is still a little bit of noise due to the reductor, because it's only running on grease now and not on in an oil bath as it should be in the final version. Yeah. The other key difference on this bike compared to the serial bikes that we will deliver quite soon is that we don't have a throttle on this one. It's only riding the torque sensor, but for me it's not a big deal, because I'm really trying on those rides to tune the torque sensor to be able to ride everything with only the torque and cadence sensor. So yeah, I will show you a little bit how that works. On one more climb before we tweak the settings. Let me pull up the tablet and show you a little bit what's going on here in the tuning. So on the development bikes and the development bikes only, so on the development bikes and the development bikes only, we actually have a USB port on the bike that allows us to tweak the settings. So for different parameters there are a lot of variables and things that we can tweak. So what we are trying to achieve with the torque sensor on this bike basically is to have something very smooth when you start up from a faster gear, a lower gear here, and to have something more responsive when you start from the higher gears. So that is the first thing we are trying to achieve. So there are different parameters to reach that that we can tweak. And the second thing that we are trying to achieve and tuning for is that we want to have something that has both good response on the low end and on the faster speeds. So when you are going 45 kilometers per hour, you don't want to push so many watts in order to achieve the 45 kilometers per hour. So we are trying to balance those different parameters, and that takes quite a bit of time actually. And at the moment we have a tuning that is nearly there. Is actually quite good, but I have been working on this tuning for more than 2 or 3 months now, so that takes a lot of time. And basically riding with the bike, the tablet or the laptop and tune, test, tune, test, tune, test. So that was regarding the tuning of the bike. We also have the production ongoing and actually starting up on the 56. Let me show you some image of the new workshop. The new workshop has been taking us quite a bit of time to set up, but we have something much more capacitive now, and we are looking forward to bring production to the maximum level on this new factory. Let's go for this one once more. Wow. All right, let's go for this one once more. Wow. Third time a charm, hopefully. Loading the back wheel. All right. Yep. Again. That was cleaner. Seat post down. Not making the same mistake with the front wheel. And down. Nice. So I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. I hope to have some new and exciting news soon. That was a pretty hard bottom out, by the way. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this little video, and stay tuned for the next ones when we release all the features of the 56 production versions, including the app, the phone app. That will be pretty exciting because you will be able to actually tune your bike to your own liking from your phone. Android and iOS compatible. So stay tuned. See you.